Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Get Coded with Lakshay. I haven't been uploading since a year because I was busy in my life, but now I am back with a new concept which is Python. In the last few videos, I have been teaching you web development which contains HTML, hypertext markup language, CSS, cascading style sheets and JS which is JavaScript, and we also learned about Bootstrap and many other things. One more thing about which I want to tell you. Now my channel is not only about coding, it's also about small tips which can help you in your daily life while using computer, such as editing softwares or some PowerPoint tips or anything else. Today we will learn Python on a new website which is Anaconda. So you have to download Anaconda from this link. It will be in the description box. Then you will download it. There will be different platforms where you can do coding. Here you can download the windows.exe file of the Anaconda. When you will open Anaconda, you will see this Anaconda navigator. When you will download it, it will open like this. You can see this. It will be the Anaconda.navigator. He will say different types of platforms such as cmd.exe prompt, data lower, Jupyter Lab, IBM Watson Studio Cloud, Jupyter Notebook, PowerShell prompt, Spider, Qt console, GlueWiz, Orange 3, PyCharm Professional, RS Studio, and many more. But today we will learn on Spider. It is a platform we can do Python anywhere we want, and it takes no network. Today we will also learn a new concept of variables, tuples, list and dictionary. So let's start. So when you will open the Spider platform, this will be the output which will be shown to you. I've already made a file and you can store it anywhere, or you can make a new folder in which you can name Python or Spider, in which you can save these files. So today I will first write a code which is very easy, which is the simplest thing in Python. First of all, we will create a variable. Let's create the variable name x. You will find some things which are very different from HTML or JS. Don't get confused. This is very different. The thing which mostly people find confusing is how to write the syntax in JS or Python, because both are very different and we get confused. Even I do some errors while doing code Python. Like in Python, I may write JS syntaxes, or in JS, I may write Python syntaxes. So just don't get confused and keep both of them separate in your mind. So we have made a variable x and we will write is equal to in front of it. Give some space and let's write in the double inverted commas, or you can even put it in single inverted commas, because in Python it works the both, but in JS it only works with double inverted commas. So let's write hello guys. Now I have to print it. Print means it will show me the output on the console. So what is a console? Console is just a place where we can only the user can see what's happening, and not means only the creator can see what's happening and not the user. Like I will write print x. I will save it, and this is the run button so that we can see what we have made. When we will click it, here you can see written hello guys. Now let's change it. This is a normal variable in which we can store anything and change the value. Now let's learn about dictionary. So dictionary is just like a variable, but we can store multiple things in it. There is one key and the value. Key is the title in which the value is stored, and value is the thing which is the data. So we have to put the curly brackets inside. Let's write the name of the key, which is, let's write Lakshay, and in the value I am writing my gender. Now let's save it. Here you will see the key and the value. Lakshay and its value is male. So this is a dictionary. Then comes the list. What is the list is, I have already told you, in this we can store multiple data together, such as hi, hello, namaste, and also we can write bonjour. And let's run it. Here you can see hi, hello, namaste and bonjour in the form of list. Then comes the tuple. It's almost like a list, but the thing is, if you have given it data once, you cannot change it further. For example, I will write hi, hello, then I will write namaste again and bonjour. I will run it. There will be only one slight difference, the curly bracket and the square bracket. But what is the difference? In list, we can add or remove any data after it. For example, let me print it again. Here you can see that it's hi, hello, namaste, bonjour as well as Lakshay. So this dot append function, from this we can add any value in the list. But have you seen that why that error came when it was the curly round brackets? Yes, because it's a tuple. We can't add anything in the tuple after it. We have to add it here. Because when I will run it, it will say tuple object has no attribute append. Because in tuple we cannot add anything further. We have to write it once and we can't do it, change it anything else. But in list we can. Dictionary is used mostly in places where we use database or servers, so that we can store them in particular keys and the value will be in an ordered manner. And we know what is a variable. We can write anything in it, we can change the value, we can do anything with it. So this is the concept of Python. It's a very easy concept. Today you have learned about variables syntax writing in Python, which is variable name is equal to and the text. Then it's the list, which is variable name is equal to in square brackets your data. Then it's the dictionary, which is x is equal to curly brackets in it key and then value. Then it's the tuple, which is variable name is equal to round brackets and the data cannot be added more or removed also. So this is for today about print and variables concept. So let's see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. And yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, share my videos, and obviously if subscribing my YouTube channel, you should also turn on my bell icon. Till then, bye.